So some of you may want to know, what do you do with a quince? How do you eat it? How do you prepare it? And what is it good for? So I like to slice mine in half like this. You get half of a quince, and then you can take like a pear core, or if you don't have it, you can quarter it and use a knife to core it, but you want to clean out the inside. Little seed cavity. It goes pretty deep, so you have to kind of clean out anything that looks extra hard. A little deeper than you might for an apple. Okay, and then pare up anything on the outside that's usually, it has a little bit of brown little speckles and things like that. It's probably some kind of fungus. Can go somewhat deep, so probably want to remove those little spots so it looks nice. Put it on a cutting board. Make thin slices. Okay, and wouldn't hurt to cut it again the other way. And get them all back together. Okay, you could eat them like this. They are edible. They're a little astringent, so not the best. But you can throw them in a pot, add some water in there. And simmer it for maybe 15-20 minutes, and then they'll be nice and soft, like a baked apple, or maybe a little bit firmer. And then you can mix it in with something else, some other fruit. You can maybe mix some applesauce with it, or put some oats and some milk or something with it. Eat it with that, or mix some berries with it. All kinds of stuff you can do with it, and just eat it. It's pretty good. Nice flavor to it.